This is new benchtop from SKIL.
Yes.
Ted is the foremost expert on these. What can you tell all of them about these? Because I know there's only a couple of options out there for this type of stuff.
What you're looking at is really updated and upgraded SKIL.
Okay.
Right? We've got 5 core items that were in our legacy benchtop product line that we've upgraded. We've made them better for not only pros, but also people that are looking to create things in their home shops. Okay. So what we've got, the first item here is the disc and belt sander. Bevels up to 90 degrees, so it allows you to have a variety of angles to sand at. And then you also have the beveling tabletop here for the disc sander. You've got 90 degrees here. You put a piece of wood here, sand it, goes all the way, and then put it back down.
Let me ask you this. I mean, I guess I could use this for metalwork as well, right?
Sure.
Okay.
Next up is the bandsaw.
Yes.
Again, you've also got a miter gauge here.
Like it?
2-speed right here on the inside. So you got your belt adjustment here if you need to switch out the blade. Very easy.
Quick release.
Quick release. Bada boom, bada bing. Fantastic feature on this is the clear view mirror or window, so that you can see as you're adjusting the blade. Sorry, that's this one here. It goes back and forth to make sure that you're getting the right angle on the cut. All right, you can adjust the height.
Like that.
3x3 pinion here. Reduces the vibration in the blade. Keeps it steady, so you get a nice clean cut. And then you've got your bump stock here as well. You can pull that out to keep it safe around kids or people you don't want in your shop.
There you go.
All right, so that's the bandsaw. Next one here is the scroll saw. So this particular item I love because you've got a very flexible light feature that you can position anywhere you need. You've got the blower that gets the sawdust out of your way.
Okay.
And it also has a beveling, my big fat hands. So you've got a beveling
sausage fingers. I got you.
Pretty much, yeah. So
you got beveling tabletop, plus you have foot pedal?
Foot pedal.
I know a lot of people would be excited for this.
Drill press.
Does it have laser beams?
It does.
Everybody loves laser beams.
It has laser beams. It has a LED light in here as well, so that you can see where you're drilling, where you're cutting. So you got your 10-inch cutting capacity here, going up and down. And then you've got your depth gauge as well, so you can set that to whatever depth you need.
Oh, I like that. Well, the depth stop.
Yep.
Correct.
There you go. Repetitive, drilling.
Yes.
That's going to be great.
Yep. Also, this is 5-speed, so if you needed to go different speeds here, you can always adjust it, loosen that up a little bit, and then get the belt to the speed that you want.
So I guess that would be great, like if you're drilling wood or metal, different types of metals, you can vary the speed.
Absolutely.
I got you. I like that.
So then, benchtop grinder, the last piece of the benchtop series. So you've got a coarse wheel and a fine wheel for different applications. This thing, you've got a replaceable LED light bulb. You don't see this in a lot of tools because LED bulbs are expensive, and you generally don't replace them. But in a situation like this, where if the bulb goes out, you don't want the tool to basically become unworkable.
Sure.
So we've got the replaceable LED bulbs. You go out, buy yourself a new one, because this thing's going to last you 20 years.
Here's the thing, though. It's great that you're including LED because that'll probably last 10, 20 years in itself.
Right.
Let's just say I smashed that by accident. Can I get a replacement from you?
I'll send you.
Oh, thanks, Terry. We appreciate that.
So you've got, actually, where did it go? There was an incorporated water tray here, so that as you're grinding, you can just dip it into the water tray, pull it down. The great thing about this is you've also got a magnifying lens here, so that when you're doing precise grinding, you can see better. And we've also got the V-groove in here to help you kind of hold it in place as you're grinding.
I got you.
And those are your 5 new benchtop tools.
Thank you for our first look at these. Craig, what is going on with SKIL Saw? What can customers expect?
Right. All this is saying is you love SKIL Saw? What product saw is designed to cut wood? large diameter, 60-degree bevel.
Yes.
Concrete cutting, scoring, fiber cement. You want it? It's there.
Yes.
But the trend is to remove this cord, not like this, but to put a battery on it. And that is where the future of skill development is focused right now.
So this
is it. 7¼ inch rear handle circ saw. This is a beast driven by two 5 amp hour batteries. It's got an integrated dust port, so you can control exactly where that dust is going, and it doubles as your auxiliary handle.
If there was a measure, a percentage of dust collected, I think that SKIL would probably lead the pack.
I don't have a percentage for you. I can say
on, Craig, you're a percentage guy.
It does a darn good job at collecting all that dust.
A lot of people believe that when they see SKIL, it's maybe homeowner or DIYers. Me personally, and you can tell me if I'm wrong, not this saw.
No, not this saw.
This is a professional saw.
So we specifically branded this as our SKIL XP. So premium performance in our cordless product.
Okay.
This is to replicate that experience that people have known for, you know, the last 100 years of worm dry performance now in a cordless product.
So this is Gen 2. I have a question. This ring light.
All my idea. Absolutely 100% my
You're
idea.
a genius. You're
Yes,
a genius, Ted.
All right, so this is our new compact series 20 volt line. You've got your 4 standard items here. You've got drill driver, hammer drill, impact driver, impact wrench. All right, and then we've got a new one-handed recip saw or one-handed circ saw.
You can cut through 2x for material with it.
You can cut through 2x in a single pass. It's lightweight, it's ergonomic, so if you've got to reach up above.
How come I didn't realize how compact this thing was?
These items average about 17% smaller than our previous version.
Okay.
More lightweight as well, but deliver the same performance as our previous version.
So here's a question. They're lighter. They're just as powerful.
Yep.
Price point. Like, what are we talking here?
Same price point as on the previous version.
There you go. I like that. If you're living on a rock and you've never met Tool Girl's Garage, I'm so happy to have her on the channel right now. So here's the question. What are your thoughts? I want to know what you think. I love the lights.
So I love the lights. The lights are like a big deal, especially if you're doing anything in small spaces or trying to work in, you know, cramped corners, or if, like most of us, when you work on a construction site, you don't have lighting yet, right? So I love that. I think that's really good. This is actually really amazing though.
Okay.
It's a really neat kind of design. It's really cool for like getting into like strange spots too. Big fan of that. Plus it's like lightweight, super powerful. I mean, what more could you ask for?
What's not to like?
Right?
I appreciate the insight. Can I get a shake? She left me hanging. I can't believe
I'm
it.
so sorry. I'm so sorry.
My feelings hurt.
I thought you were just taking me out. I mean, plus the USB charger.
I really like that as well. In addition to the light, Ted, I like the light stuff.
The lights are a big deal.
Yes.
The lights.
Very big
Level
deal.
up.
Yep. Level up. Oh, okay. Is that like the slogan?
No, but I like it. Let's go with it.
Okay. Did I say that?
Sure.